Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Sims 4 mods not showing up in the game. So the first thing what you can do here, you need to launch the game here, and once you're on the game you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now, and then you need to go to options, and then you need to go to game options, and then you need to go to other here and make sure that these two options is selected. Enable custom content and mods, be sure to this is enabled, and also script mods allowed, right? Apply changes, restart your game, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that I suggest you to do here is to go to mods, basically folder here, and you need to make sure and just go to documents, electronic arts, Sims 4, and then mods, and make sure you do not put mod basically file with another folder. So what you need to do here is to, on the mods folder, just paste raw mods file without folder or other stuff. So just paste raw file here, and then you'll be able to good to go, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to verify integrity of the game files. And to do so on EA app, you just need to go to library and then press these three little dots here on the top right corner of the game itself, and then you just need to press repair here, and basically if you have some corrupted files in the game, it will check and change it to normal. If you're using Steam, same thing on the Steam, go to Steam, go to library, and then I don't have it Sims 4 on Steam, but it's pretty basically the same on other games itself. So for example, let's take Apex Legends, and then right click on it, go to properties, and then go to local files, and then here you can verify integrity of the game files, and it should fix your problem, right? So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.